You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you call this symbol? You have to know that this is a symbol from Norse and Swedish. It designates John the Baptist's day, and it's also a key on Apple's Macintosh keyboards, a command key. Now the symbol is called the looped square, the looped square. It is an ancient symbol. Looped square. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.